What if I told you Earth was once ruled by towering fungi, not fierce reptiles? Over 400 million years ago, massive mushrooms called prototaxites grew taller than a house, up to 24 feet high. Picture walking through a forest of monstrous, spongy pillars instead of leafy trees. Some legends even say these ancient mushrooms glowed in the dark, lighting up the night. Next time you see a little toadstool, remember, its ancestors once ruled the planet. Want more mind-blowing secrets about prehistoric Earth? Stick around.